description of a possible dinosaur bone discovery dates back to 3,500 years ago in China. At the time, people did not know about dinosaurs, so they thought their discovery, which was some dinosaur teeth, belonged to dragons. Measuring 50 feet, Liopleurodon was the biggest aquatic reptile, half the size of the blue whale. The blue whale is bigger than any dinosaur at 108 feet or 33 meters. Most meat-eating dinosaurs had bones filled with air. Though their bones were huge, they weren't as heavy as they looked. Birds have the same kind of hollow bones. Baby Musaurus, mouse lizard, are the smallest dinosaur skeletons ever found. They would fit inside a shopping bag. Small meat eaters were most likely the smartest type of dinosaurs. Humans' eyes face forward so that they can see in 3D. Plant-eating dinosaurs like the Triceratops had eyes looking out to each side so they could watch for danger while they fed. Triceratops had the biggest skull with a solid shield than any other dinosaur. It was up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters long, with a bony shield over its neck. A newborn human baby has a bigger brain than most adult dinosaurs had. Whales and dolphins have the biggest brains of all living animals. Some dinosaurs may have had colorful skin, but scientists don't know for sure. It's likely that most dinosaurs had green and brown scales to help them hide among the trees and plants. Snakes and lizards shed their skin when they grow. Researchers believe that dinosaurs may have done the same. Tyrannosaurus rex had huge back legs, but its tiny front legs were not much longer than human arms. While dinosaurs had the same set of leg bones, some had feet like a rhinoceros, elephant, bird, or a pig. The biggest footprints ever found were 3 feet or 1 meter across and 4 feet long. Millipedes have more legs than any other animal, up to 750. Dinosaurs often swallowed large rocks. These rocks stayed in the stomach and helped them grind up food. Tyrannosaurus rex ate up to 22 tons of meat a year. It had jagged teeth 6 inches or 15 centimeters long. It couldn't chew, so it swallowed its food in large chunks. Sauropods were the tallest animals that ever lived. Some were more than twice the height of a giraffe. Dinosuchus was a huge prehistoric crocodile. It most likely had the strongest bite out of any dinosaur, including Tyrannosaurus rex. It weighed 8 times as much as today's crocodile. Corythosaurus had a big hollow crest connected to its nose. The crest worked like an echo chamber, letting as other small hunters made high-pitched, screechy noises similar to an ostrich. Parasaurolophus had a crest that looked like half of a trombone. The male's crest was up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long, which was the biggest out of all of the dinosaurs. Some scientists believe that Tyrannosaurus rex may not have been able to run as fast as 18 miles per hour, 28 kilometers an hour. Other scientists believe it could not run at all because it was so big. Slim dinosaurs such as Compsognathus and Ornithomimus was among the fastest dinosaurs. However, the cheetah can run faster than any dinosaur that existed. Dinosaurs that could run on 2 legs were called bipeds. Dinosaurs had different self-defense mechanisms. Some, like meat eaters, had sharp teeth. Plant eaters had long horns or sharp spikes. Other dinosaurs were covered in bony plates. Stegosaurus had huge upright plates on its back that could grow as large as 30 inches. While scientists do not fully understand the function of these massive plates, they speculate that the Stegosaurus could control its body temperature by regulating blood flow through them. A Stegosaurus may also have been able to control its skin color this way, to either attract a mate or scare predators. Scientists call this color change blushing. It is estimated that trillions of dinosaur eggs were laid during the Mesozoic era, though fossilized eggs containing embryos are rare. Modern birds and reptiles have a single body opening for urination, defecation, and reproduction. A cloaca, Latin for sewer. Paleontologists believe that dinosaurs were similarly designed and reproduced by pressing their cloacas together in a cloacal kiss. Additionally, some dinosaurs may have had a penis like some birds do, or other intromittent organs like crocodiles. Paleontologists believe a Tyrannosaurus rex male reproductive organ might have been up to 12 feet in length. Like birds and reptiles today, dinosaurs built nests and laid eggs. Some even fed and protected their babies. Plant-eating dinosaurs often lived together for protection, like herding animals today, too. The herds ranged from just a few adults and their young to thousands of animals. Sauropods, lizard-footed, could travel many miles a day on their huge legs. Their fossilized trackways or superhighways can still be seen today. The megalodon was the biggest prehistoric fish. It looked like a shark, though it was 3 times bigger. Dinosaurs that lived near water often left the best fossils. Many scientists believe that birds are dinosaurs, and therefore dinosaurs are not actually extinct. The biggest hunter was the Spinosaurus, spine lizard. It was up to 49 feet or 15 meters long. The biggest plant eater was the Argentinosaurus. It was up to 98 feet or 30 meters long. The tallest plant eater was the Brachiosaurus, Giraffatitan bronchi. Its head was up to 39 feet or 12 meters off the ground. The dinosaur with the thickest skull was the Pachycephalosaurus. Its skull grew up to 8 inches or 20 centimeters thick. The Pentaceratops had the biggest skull at 10 feet or 3 meters long. The toothiest dinosaur was the Hadrosaurus. It could have over 1,000 teeth, and it continually grew new ones. The biggest flying reptile was the Quetzalcoatlus. Its wingspan was up to 39 feet or 12 meters. The dinosaur with the longest claws was the Therizinosaurus, reaping lizard. Its claws were up to 3 feet or 1 meter long. The tallest hunter was the Dinoceras, horrible land. Its head was up to 20 feet or 6 meters off the ground. The fastest dinosaur was the Ornithomimus. It could run up to 43.5 miles per hour or 70 kilometers an hour. The largest mounted dinosaur skeleton to be exhibited in a museum is a Brachiosaurus. The smallest fully grown dinosaur fossil is the Lesothosaurus lizard from Lesotho. It is only the size of a chicken. Smaller fossils have been found, but they are of baby dinosaurs. The smallest